Why the moral teacher scold him to open mic?
Okay, so okay. Tonat punya lesson, malam tadi punya, okay, adalah, okay, I just pergi ke sikit je sebab this one you also can refer your textbook. Okay, the how, okay, how can, oh, jangan buat ni. Okay, I open board first. Okay, so itu yang ini malam tadi punya lesson. Okay, yang tak ada join I punya malam tadi lesson, you can refer after this. I will post the link in YouTube and then also you can refer your textbook. Okay, how to convert the following recurring decimals to fraction. Kalau which is kat sini adalah bertengok belai rasa kalau refer textbook pun okay. And then nanti sambil tengok I punya YouTube. Okay, so this one and this one. Okay, ini malam tadi. Okay, untuk hari ni, okay. For today, we are going to learn calculation involving surd. Okay, macam mana you nak selesaikan, because sebab I ada cari juga soalan daripada last year punya questions and then not a lot of question about surd that come in exam. Kalau chapter ni, yang banyak adalah soalan daripada from index and from log. Okay. And then, tapi kena tahu dah juga, okay. So this one, okay. If the surd, okay, siapa yang tak tahu surd, okay, surd adalah any integer that have radical symbol, which is, okay, 3 punca kuasa 2 or 4 punca kuasa 3. So this is what we call as surd. Okay, ini kita panggil sebagai surd, okay. If the question involving calculation that involve surd, okay, contohnya, okay, for A bigger than 0 and B bigger than 0, okay, the law one that you have to know is, okay, you nampak dekat sini, okay, A square root times B square root, so automatic you can times A and B, become AB square root. So ini adalah the first law, okay. But okay, the value must bigger than 0. The condition there mesti lebih besar daripada sifar. Okay, so for B, okay, square root of A divided by square root of B will become A over B square root. So this is law first and law 2 that you have to remember when you want to calculate problems that involving surd. Okay, kita lihat kepada contoh. Okay, tengok example 9. Okay, write the following as single surds. Okay, as single surds. Okay, ini adalah dua ungkapan, kata apa, two of surds, dua ungkapan bagi surds lah sebab kita ada kita ada square root of 2 times square root of 7. Okay, this one involve law first. Okay, first law. Okay, so as usual, you just times 2 times 7 become square root of 14. Okay, and then look at example B. Okay, 24 divided by 8. Okay, and then kalau kita buat solution je, dia akan jadi macam ni. Okay, just like that. Okay, and then 24 divided by 8, you akan dapat 3, and then 3 square root of 3. Okay, if you can see here, okay, yang ini berbeza sikit lah. Kalau nampak dekat sini, okay, 3A square root times 5A square root. Okay, so become 15A square. So daripada sini, okay, sebab ada pelajar mungkin tak nampak. Okay, this one, okay, why the answer become A square root of 15? Okay, nampak dekat sini dah already simplify the answer. Okay, because kalau dekat sini sepatutnya dah akan jadi A square root and then times 15 of square root, right? So A square root, okay, A square and square root, so ini akan terhapus, will delete. So it will become A square root of 15. Faham tak? Guys?
Tak faham.
Tak faham?
Faham.
Means the A need to go out
Yes.
because it's square.
Yes, kan?
Basically, any square I just bawa ke sana lah.
Yes, kan ini kan A square and then square root. So this one times this one will become A. Boleh?
I don't get the logical concept over putting A outside.
Okey, tak nampak logical. Okey, tak nampak logical. Kita tengok kepada secara logiknya. Okay, sekejap I present I punya.
Teacher, just now the A square what is A times square that one.
Okay, Y become, yes, okay. The answer will, okay, sekejap. Okay, 3A, okay, times 5A, right? Betul tak soalan dia tadi? Okay, so this one you know that, okay, 5 times 3, 15. And then A times A become A square. Okay, and then we put the square root there, right? Okay, basically this is A square root times 15 square. Okay guys, okay, kenapa tiba-tiba, okay, why suddenly, kenapa tak boleh garis, okay, why suddenly the A square root become A? Why? Because, okay, if you do in the index way, kalau you tulis dalam bentuk in the form of index, this question, it will be like this. A square in bracket 1/2. Betul tak? This is in the index form. Boleh nampak tak? This is in the index form. Faham? So this one, okay, 2 times 1/2, you potong, and then it will become A times 15 square root. Okay guys, this one, kalau you, okay, if you write down like this is in the index form. This is in, dalam bentuk index. But now we are learning about the surd. The surd, you must have the symbol of the radical there. Kita mesti kena ada simbol ini. Ini kita panggil dalam ungkapan dalam surd. Okay, nampak tak Petrina? Boleh faham? So that's why it will become A. The single A only, because A square times 1/2. Okay, ada soalan?
So teacher, it means the square root gone lah.
Yes, the square root gone tadi sebab Petrina tanya, teacher, I tak nampak the logic why the square root is gone. So the logic is here because we change to the index form. So when we change into the index form, so we can times 2 times 1/2. So that's why the square root gone. Sebab betul lah, matematik you kena logic apa yang kamu nampak. So that's why Petrina kata I tak nampak the logic why the square root gone. So the square root gone because of this. Okay.
Teacher, I confused because I thought it was A square root 15, not A times square root 15.
A times square root 15. Sekejap. A times.
But I understand already.
Kyrie.
No, I thought A square root 15.
A square root 15.
No. Teacher, nothing.
Okay, yang lain ada soalan? Patrick?
This one is related to the apa tu? Related lah to the one at the top one.
Which one? This one?
No. Related there to the thing. What's the thing called already?
Huh?
The indices. Is that called indices?
Yes, indices. Yes, this one is in indices. Yes.
Oh, this is related to the indices topic. Subtopic.
Yes lah, because that's why kita punya.
Topic. Okay. So I thought why suddenly got indices come up.
Oh, bukan, sebab tadi just now you asked me why the square root is gone, right? So the logic is here. But okay, the topic indices and the topic of surd is we have the relation sebab macam I bagi tahu tadi. Okay, just now I already told you, okay, the form of indices, okay, the form indices is, okay, contohnya 15 1/2, right? This is the form dalam bentuk indices form. Okay, but dalam bentuk surd, okay, in the surd form is 15 square ataupun, okay, ataupun this one, ataupun I letak let's say I letak 15 1/3. In the surd form is 15 punca kuasa 3. So in the topic of surd, okay, we didn't use kata apa? We didn't use this form. We just use only this form. Okay. Faham tak? Okay, kita try tengok kepada soalan how to solve the question. Okay, tengok sekejap. Okay, ini, okay, kalau contohnya yang ini. Okay, so this one, look at for example 9D. Here we go. Okay, 27A over 7A. Okay, so it will become 21 over 7A and A, right? So A and A, right, we cut, already destroy, already delete, because A divided by A will become nothing. Dah tak ada lah sebab kita dah potong. So 21 over 7 will become 3 square root. Okay. Kalau indices, you have to simplify, become 3 1/2. But in surd, okay, because we are in the surd of topic, dalam topic of surd, so you only give your answer in the form of surd answer. So this is the answer. Okay, boleh nampak tak? Okay, tak apa, kita pergi kepada, okay, so this one, okay, mark correct, okay, on the correct statement. So this one, okay, macam mana you boleh tukarkan this one? Agak-agak ini betul tak? You just times. Okay, 7 times 5. So
12.
the answer will become, should be 35. So, okay, so this one correct or wrong?
Correct.
Correct.
Kenapa pula correct? The
Wrong
answer is
lah.
wrong lah.
Why? Times lah.
7
Dia kan dia
times
kata mark
Carrie, you
correct.
confuse me eh.
Yalah. Mark correct.
Seven.
Eh, 7 times. Yalah. Yalah. No lah, this one is times 7 times 5, bukan 7 plus 5.
I thought it's plus
No lah, kalau plus is plus lah. Should be have the plus symbol there. So this is times 7 times 5 should be 35 square root. But this is wrong, right? Okay, look at number, the second one. Okay, this correct or wrong? Okay, wrong.
Should be 6-4, right?
Yes, correct. Okay, this one.
Correct.
Salah. Betul lah tadi.
Correct,
Petrina
correct.
bagi tahu. Petrina bagi tahu wrong. So I kata
You
correct.
say correct to Petrina, not. Okay.
Yalah lah, I say correct to Petrina. Okay. This one, 2260. So it will become?
So I don't know.
What like that one? Why got two
Ah.
outside?
So this one is correct or this one is correct or wrong?
Wait, I put in calculator and see.
Okay, this one you have to simplify. Okay, siapa yang ada kat sini? Sekejap
Wrong.
Wrong lah.
Wrong? Okay. How many, I nak jawapan daripada, sekejap. Cintong. Cintong correct or wrong this question?
Correct.
Dia akan
Sure, isn't
reply.
it the same thing since like the 2 and the normal square root of the 2, right? So it's
This
wrong.
one you wrong. Okay. I tak nampak sebab mesti akan ada Petrina pula. Hai. Petrina, no bukan Petrina. Kejap.
Petrina.
Bukan. Cintong.
Why Petrina?
Oh, Yuan said wrong. The only cert I know is certificate. Cintong, correct or wrong? Cintong, correct or wrong? Cintong ada kan sini? Of course lah dia ada. Wrong,
Cintong
okay.
playing game behind the
Okay, Bernice, correct or wrong?
I don't know.
I don't know. Chelsea, correct or wrong?
I think wrong.
You think wrong. Matematik mana boleh think lah. You have to calculate lah sayang.
The answer behind say wrong.
The answer say behind say wrong. The answer behind say yes lah. Correct lah.
Wait.
Yalah, the display answer is the correct one lah. Okay, Ho Yuan say wrong.
Try make it.
Make it become correct. Kalau I become correct, you kena belanja tau. Kejap. Kalau I dapat become correct, you kena belanja. Kejap. Apa yang keluar ni?
Azalina Atham is media revenue.
Okay, kejap. Nasib baiklah keluar berita yang elok. Cuba kalau tiba-tiba keluar berita yang bukan-bukan, malu saya nanti. Okay. So, this answer is correct. Okay, this answer is correct because you kena kira. Okay, macam tadi, this one right? Okay. This one, kejap saya contoh dekat sini 260. Okay, you have to expand. Okay, maybe this one is 26 times 0. Maybe. Okay, but also you can be 65. Okay, 65. Okay, times 4. If I put 65 become times 4. Okay, sebab kenapa I take 65? Because in the answer already use 65 square root, right? So I just expand become 65 square root times 4 square roots. So this one, kalau guna calculator, 65 times 4, it will become 65 times 4, it will become for surd, you didn't have to find the value of the square root. You tak perlu cari dia punya value of the square root because we want to solve the calculation involving surd. So we have to use the symbol there. You nampak dekat sini nampak 65 times 4 become 260. So that's why it will become 65 times square root of 4. Okay, so square root of 4 is 2. So 2, the answer is like this. So this answer is correct. Alright lah, this answer. Nampak tak? Okay guys, okay tak?
Tak faham, cikgu.
Tak faham? Okay, which part that you didn't understand, Katrina?
Suddenly the surd 4 become 2 outside.
Because we want to, macam mana nak cakap sebab this one, okay. Pardon Khairi, make it.
So 2 means square root 4 lah. Like that lah.
Yes. Square,
The square root 4 become 2
Yeah, square root 4 can become 2. The square root of 4 become 2. Where I get the square root of 4? Khairi?
Because 65 times 4 equals to 260.
Yes.
So divide it.
260 divide by 65, you akan dapat 4. So this one, sebab sekarang ni we want to make it very simple. From the biggest number, you have to make it in the simplest way answer dalam jawapan yang lebih kecil. Okay, guys, macam I bagi tahu tadi, you didn't need to find the value of square root 260. Tak perlu cari sebab sekarang ni you tak boleh guna calculator, jawapan dia adalah ini. No, this is not the answer, bukan. Okay, because our focus is you have to solve the question involving surd. Surd is that using the radical symbol, that using this symbol there. So you have to make it become simplest, in the simplest way, dalam bentuk yang paling kecil. So daripada sini, so that's why you jadikan 260. Okay, why I divide by 65? Because in the answer already given that square root of 65. So that's why I just divide 260 divide by 65. So you akan dapat this one. Okay, tak apa. Cuba tengok this one. This answer. Correct or wrong?
Correct.
Correct, okay. Petrina, correct or wrong?
Tengah fikir weh
Square
lah.
root gone because of the square, right?
Yes. Zoal, correct or wrong?
Which one talking about? Oh, I see wrong question. Wait,
I am still confused on the last part.
I don't understand also.
This one,
I don't
don't understand.
Yeah.
I don't even understand
Oh,
the
correct. I just typed the whole
Kan
thing.
tadi? Kan tadi?
Why calculator?
Kan tadi
Just
the square root is disappear. Right? Because
Yeah,
why
because of the
disappear?
square.
Because we have the square there. Those square roots meet with the square, so the square root will disappear. Square root and square. So it will become 16.
Just
And then
times only.
36, yes, just time. Tapi you have to know why just time, because the square root there already disappear. Why
Oh.
disappear? Sebab macam I bagi tahu tadi lah. Disappear because of if you change to the index form, so dia akan disappear. Sebab matematik, you have to know the logic, yes?
I buat langkah yang lain.
You guna calculator.
No. I just do square root 16 is 4 ma. Square root 36 is 6 ma. So 4 times 6, 24. 24 square 5, 7, 6.
Betul juga. Betul juga. Itu betul. Sebab 16 square root of times become 4 and then the times 6 square root and then so 6 times 4, 24 and then 24 square you akan dapat 5, 7, 6. Another way, this one with this one disappear, this one and this one disappear, so 16 times 36 also become 576. Okay, next. Correct or wrong?
Wrong. 7 times 7 is 21. 49.
Yeah, wrong.
Okay, wrong. Mana I punya tu? Okay, this one correct or wrong?
Correct.
Correct. Okay, 4 divided by 2 become 2. 8 divided by 4 become 2. Yes. Okay, this one correct or wrong?
Wrong.
Okay.
Wrong. Should be surd 6.
Okay.
What?
Square root. Square root of 6 lah tu dia kata.
Yalah, surd lah.
Square root.
Okay, this one.
What
Correct
is
or wrong?
Correct.
This
Wrong.
one,
Should be
wrong.
surd 25. Wrong.
Set 25 become?
Should be surd 25 ah. Before that is should be like that, right?
correct.
So the answer become correct lah.
Oh,
25.
okay.
Okay.
Yes. Okay, the second the second last. Yes, the second last.
Tengah fikir.
5 and
Should be 5 with the 9, right? Correct.
30 divided by 6 become 5.
5,
Okay, and then 27 divided by 3 become
9.
9.
And
square
then
root 9,
5.
3
Yeah,
times.
Okay, dapat tak yang lain? Diam tu dapat tak?
Teacher, not three.
Correct.
Okay, 30 divided by 6. Tengok 30 divided by 6 become 5. I tulis kat sini. 27 divided by 3 become square root of 9. Right? Square root of 9 is 5 times 3. So become 50. So correct. And then this one. Correct or wrong?
The square gone.
Yes, the square root gone, so become 81. So correct. Okay. Okay guys. Okay. So itu je lah kelas untuk